How am I supposed to wear this 24/7? Seriously, like, how? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, what? I have an appointment at 9:30. It's 9:40 now. I'm very good with punctuality, as you can see. Actually, let me show you guys the time right now. Actually, no, it's 9:30. Oh my god, you guys cannot see this. Anyway, it's 9:35 and I have an orthodontist appointment. I'm supposed to get my braces off today. I really hope that happens.
Shit.
Go away. I really hope that happens, because if it doesn't happen, then this video is gonna be really awkward. I really hope I'm happy with it, because it's really expensive. If you haven't seen my video about me explaining like the cost of my braces and like I don't know, like my braces journey, basically, I'll put the link somewhere on the card description down below, somewhere. If you want to see it, if you're interested, you can check it out. I'm gonna head over to the dentist now, and I'll see you guys there in like a second. Bye. So as you can see, my braces are still there. I didn't get my braces taken out today because I was late to my appointment and they would not let me do it. So I had to reschedule for Thursday, and even now I have to drive even further away from where I live, because currently the one I go to is about 13 minutes from where I live. But now where I was scheduled to get my braces removed on Thursday is about 22 minutes away from me. So I have to even drive further away, which is annoying. I was annoyed when they told me, but I mean, I really couldn't be mad because it was my fault to begin with that I was late to my appointment. But what the doctor went ahead and did, it made this two side teeth the same size as this two right here, so you can see. And what he told me was if I bite on something too strong with my front teeth, they might break. Like whatever it is they just added to my teeth might break. I need to be careful and not bite on strong stuff, which is a little annoying, because if it breaks, then I'm gonna be working around with broken teeth, and then I have to spend another money at the dentist to actually get it permanently done, because this is not permanent. I think it's probably like temporary or whatever. But if it gets broken, I'll have to go to a regular dentist and get it permanently done, which I am sure is not cheap. I don't even want to know how much it costs, because I'm sure it's expensive. Anything that's to do with smiling and your teeth, they're just off the chain expensive. I am gonna go on Thursday and get it all taken out. Dentist, yeah, from my real dentist. Earlier my camera died, and all she did was just take my x-ray. Basically, I have to show you guys this picture, because I took a picture of my x-ray, the x-ray I did the first time. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so this is what I look like. This is what my teeth looked like the first day I got my braces in. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is what my teeth used to look like, and I look like a crazy person. And this is what it looks like now. This is what my teeth looks like now, and that was taken earlier today. And what the lady did earlier was take my x-ray. So this was today. That is my skull. And I don't know if you guys can see the difference. See that right there? It's a little curved. And this was when I first got my braces. So you can see it was like way out, like I had an overbite. So they told me I would have to wear my retainer, this retainer. I'll have to wear it every night for the first 6 months, and after 6 months I can wear it 2 to 3 nights per week, sorry, not per night. And if I do break, because they also put the permanent retainers in my upper and lower teeth, and if I do break them, I would have to wear this 24/7. Like, I don't even know how that's supposed to work, because look at this. How am I supposed to wear this 24/7? Seriously, like, how? I just hope they never break, because I cannot wear this 24/7. I can't even talk. Like, I don't know how that's gonna work. So I have 2-year warranty. So for the next 2 years, I can replace my bonded retainer, my teeth, whatever it is, like the stuff they added to make my teeth the same size as this, and the removable retainers. I can replace those twice for free in the next 2 years. And after that, I would have to pay $45 for the bonded, the build up. I don't know what they call it. I think it's either called bonded or build up. I don't know which one it is, but I'll have to pay $45 for this if this chips, and I'll have to pay $75 for this retainer. I don't know if that's confusing. I'm sorry if I confused anybody out there, but yeah. Right after my appointment at the orthodontist, I went over to my dentist for just regular cleaning and flossing and all that. And I don't know if you guys noticed or if I've mentioned this before, my gums are swollen at the bottom, and my dentist just told me like I need to be a lot better with flossing. And it's actually pretty common with braces, because like, I guess, I don't know, maybe it just the gum doesn't have space when the braces are in there. I was just told it's pretty common for your gums to be swollen after you've had braces in, so you have to be very good with flossing just to have healthier gums again. I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just put it in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer all your questions, or like just to get answers from my dentist. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn that notification button on if you want to see me again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.